You're welcome, and here you go. Here's how to use Kami. So you can see on PowerSchool, sometimes you have a Kami link, and right here your note sheet is your Kami link. So you're going to click on that. And it should open up to your Kami. And here is your Kami. We have them set so that you have to make a copy yourself. To do this, well, let's just start here. Over here is all of the tools that your Kami has available to you. So this is your regular old select mouse arrow tool. There's a dictionary. It will talk to you. It'll read for you. So if there's a long reading on there, you can have it read to you. The ones that we're going to use the most are going to be right here, the big T for a text box, and your drawing tools down here. Okay? Just like you would use in a computer, the drawing tools let you draw with different strokes. You can add shapes and your eraser. So you're going to click on your text box because it looks like we're going to add some text. So click on your text box right here. Click anywhere. It should pop up to have you make a copy. You just click make that copy. This because it's on mine and I am the owner. It doesn't come up quite like that. But you can see the little blue box appear, and now you can type. So a group of organs working together to turn food into, I'm going to guess energy goes there, which the body uses for energy. Oh, maybe not. Blank and self-repair. So it looks like I need another box there. Just hit the T again. And we put in here, growth goes there. Okay, so there is how you use your text box. This is the primary function for us. It should all be well and good. When you're done, you filled in your Kami all the way. You're going to go to your Google Drive, and you get there right here. You're going to go to your Drive, and it should be waiting for you in your Drive. And that is how you, see, here's my Kami from the other day. That is how you upload it to me. It will be saved directly to your Drive from Kami. If you still have questions, let me know.